materials needed. This. Technically, it is possible to build a computer with snap circuits, but it will require way too many pieces. This one has some special properties. Basically, like this 3 snap between the top point and the bottom point, but there's a break in. The break will only unbreak if electricity is flowing through this point. For example, here, there was a button attached to here which acts like a switch for letting this on, which this on because this is always connected, which turns on the LED. Well, that's pretty much what the transistor does do. No, in the beginning of the video when I said it will also require this piece, it doesn't mean that you can build a computer with just one of these. Unless it's a really easy computer. In the next 2 videos, we will find out how to use this piece, the other pieces, To be specific about it, these pieces: one battery, one press switch, one transistor, two sets of jumper wires, six snap ones, two snap twos, a lamp socket, a LED, and a diode to build two computers. One that turns on when the button is pressed, like the one we just saw, and another one who turns off when the button is pressed, which means that it normally turns on.